Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a box I got from Influenster, and it is the Nivea Creme. So I'll leave their link below if you want to check it out. It's a website where you post product reviews pretty much, and that's what this is. They sent me this to try it out and submit a review. It has a little card, a little bit about the product. Yeah, and how to complete the, it's the Nivea Creme Voxbox. So, ooh, there's a couple things in here. Wow. Okay, so the first thing is this huge jar. This is 6.8 ounce, 192 grams. It's like a heavy plastic. It almost feels like metal. But I'm gonna open this. Oh, and it's foil sealed. So I'm gonna do a close-up of this so you can see what it looks like. And then the next thing in here is a rich moisturizing cream for body, face, and hands. Ideal for daily use for all intensive moisturizing needs. That one's foil sealed as well. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. I was trying to see if it slid. That is a super thick cream. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's really thick. It's nice though. Do zoom in. Put it on the back of my hand. That is really rich and thick. That's probably too much for the back of my hand. That'd be good for my entire, both hands, but yeah, I just wanted to show you like the texture of it. But yeah. And this is the other one. It's pretty much the same thing. So I'm assuming this one is for like traveling and on the go. That is really cool. Yeah, it has the same texture and everything. So one for home and then one for travel. So yeah, and they both say Nivea Creme. When I saw this little one in there, I didn't know, without looking at the name, I didn't know if it was going to be the same thing or the same consistency, but it is. So that's water-based mineral, and it says it has water, mineral, oil, petrolatum, and some few other ingredients. So it's kind of a mixture of water and wax base. So wax-based products, petroleum-based products don't have a tendency to sink into my skin as fast. Yeah, this one feels nice. My hands get super dry, but I can use this anywhere, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it out, like on my elbows and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.